Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. నా క్లాస్ ఫస్ట్ టైం వింటున్నట్లయితే డెఫినెట్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ లైక్ కూడా చేయండి. సో ఇన్ దిస్ క్లాస్ we will do important long questions in exercise 10b. In third bit we have sixth sum and seventh sum. These are very important long questions. Now sixth question, the tangent at any point on the curve x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equals to a power 2 by 3 intersects the coordinate axis in A and B. Then show that the length AB is a constant. So what is given? Tangent at any point on the curve. So take this as x-axis, this as y-axis and this as y-axis, x-axis and y-axis. So this is a given curve. Take at any point P, take this point as P point, P of x1 y1. Take P point x1 y1. At this point, draw the tangent. This tangent intersects x-axis at A point and y-axis at B point. This is B point. This tangent intersects x-axis at A point and y-axis at B point. Now we have to show that this AB is a constant. And AB is a constant and prove cheyali. Okay na? What is given? Given curve x power 2 by 3. Given curve is x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equals to a power 2 by 3. X power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equals to a power 2 by 3. Take it as equation number 1. Now take P, any point P of x1 y1 is any point on the curve. Let P of x1 y1 be any point on the curve. Be any point on the curve. Therefore, this point should satisfy this given curve. So take x is equals to x1. Therefore, x is equals to x1 here, substitute here, x1 power 2 by 3 plus y is equals to y1 power 2 by 3 is equals to a power 2 by 3. Take it as equation number 2. So let P of x1 y1 be any point on the curve. Any point on the curve ante ee curve equation ni ee points satisfy cheyali. Therefore take x is equals to x1 and y is equals to y1. Now find the slope of the tangent. What is given? Equation 1 implies x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equals to a power 2 by 3. To find slope, what slope means? dy by dx. So find d by dx, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. So d by dx of x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equals to d by dx of a power 2 by 3. d by dx of a power 2 by 3. Now d by dx of x power 2 by 3. It is in the form of d by dx of x power n form. X power n. What is the formula? N into x power n minus 1. N means 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 into x power n minus 1. 2 by 3 minus 1 plus d by dx of y power 2 by 3. It also in the form of x power n form. X power n form only. X into 2 by 3 and n into 2 by 3 into y power 2 by 3 minus 1 into dy by dx. Because x plus and x we have y. In the RHS, d by dx of a is constant. d by dx of constant is 0. Here take the LCM. 3 ones are 3. So 2 minus 3 is equals to minus 1. So 2 by 3, take out 2 by 3 common. Remain x power minus 1 by 3. Get right as no event kada. 3 ones are 3 kada. 2 minus 3 is equals to minus 1 plus y power minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to 0. So 2 by 3 I shall send into 0 by 2 by 3 is 0. So x power minus 1 by 3. We can write x power minus 1 by 3 as 1 by x power 3. 1 by x power 1 by 3. 1 by x power 1 by 3 plus y power minus 1 by 3 as 1 by y power 1 by 3 into dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to 0. ఈ టర్మ్ టోటల్ రైట్ సైడ్ సెండ్ చేయండి. సో వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్స్, మైనస్ అవుతుంది. 1 by y power 1 by 3 into dy by dx is equals to minus 1 by x power 1 by 3. Minus 1 by x power 1 by 3. ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ ఉంది కదా, రైట్ సైడ్ అయితే మైనస్ అవుతుంది. సో 1 by y power 1 by 3 రైట్ సైడ్ సెండ్ చేసుకోండి. సో dy by dx is equals to minus y power 1 by 3 by x power 1 by 3. This is dy by dx. Dy by dx. Now we have to find the slope. Slope means dy by dx. We have to find slope at point x1 y1. At point x1 y1. So this implies m is equals to dy by dx. Dy by dx at point x1 y1. At point x1 y1. So in this dy by dx, take y is equals to y1, x is equals to x1. So minus y1 power 1 by 3 by x1 power 1 by 3. This is a m value. M is equals to minus y1 power 1 by 3 by x1 power 1 by 3. Now we have to find equation of tangent. So మన స్లోప్ వచ్చింది కదా, అంటే ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ టాంజెంట్ ఫైండ్ చేయాలి, which is passing through P point. So equation of tangent is, what is the formula? Equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Substitute values. Y minus y1 is equals to, what is m value? M is equals to slope minus y1 power 1 by 3 by x1 power 1 by 3 minus y1 power 1 by 3 by x1 power 1 by 3 into x minus x1. So y1 power 1 by 3 left side side చేయండి, డివైడ్ అవుతుంది. y minus y1 by y1 power 1 by 3 is equals to minus 1 by x1 power 1 by 3 into x minus x1. So right separate రాయండి ఇక్కడ. y by y1 power 1 by 3 minus y1 by y1 power 1 by 3 is equals to minus into plus minus x by x1 power 1 by 3 minus into minus plus x1 by x1 power 1 by 3. x1 by x1 power 1 by 3. సో ఇక్కడ రైట్ సైడ్ వేస్తున్నా. సో x టర్మ్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ సెండ్ చేసుకోండి, పాజిటివ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే x by x1 power 1 by 3 plus y by y1 power 1 by 3 is equals to, so send this term to the right side, x1 by x1 power 1 by 3 plus y1 by y1 power 1 by 3. So we have one formula, a power m by a power n. We can write this as a power m minus n. A power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. So here apply this formula. A power m means power is 1 here. Power is 1. N means 1 by 3. So RHS becomes a power m minus 1 kada, and x1 power 1 minus 1 by 3 plus y1 power అంటే ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది కదా, m అంటే 1, n అంటే 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 3. So LCM 3 1s are 3 minus 1 2. So x1 power 2 by 3 plus here also same 3 1s are 3 minus 1 2, y1 power 2 by 3. But what is the value? This value from equation 2, x1 power 2 by 3 plus y1 power 2 by 3 is equals to a power 2 by 3. At the place name రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం. We can write a power 2 by 3. We can write this as a power 2 by 3. A power 2 by 3. So from equation 2, since from second equation. So LHS x by x1 power 1 by 3 plus y by y1 power 1 by 3 is equals to a power 2 by 3. What is the equation? X by x1 power 1 by 3 plus y by y1 power 1 by 3 equals to a power 2 by 3. So we can write this as x by x1 power 1 by 3 plus y by y1 power 1 by 3 is equals to, we can write this as a power 2 by 3 into 1. A power 2 by 3 into 1. So send a power 2 by 3 left side, left side send చేసుకోండి. So ఏమవుతుంది, x by divide చేస్తుంది. So x1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 plus y by y1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 is equals to 1. Is equals to 1. So it is in the form of intercept form. X by a plus y by b is equals to 1. X by a is, it is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. X by a plus y by b is equals to 1. So here what is the x-intercept to a? X-intercept is, this is the x-intercept. So x-intercept is x1 power 1 by 3, a power 2 by 3, a power 2 by 3, and y-intercept is what is y-intercept? y1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3. So therefore, what is the a point? Capital A point. So this is a given curve. This curve touches at this a point, and this is b point. Y axis and x axis. And a point ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? X-intercept, this is total a. So a point has a comma 0 in the form of a comma 0, and b point in the form of 0 comma b. Here this is x-intercept, this is a value, x1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3. So we can write a point as a comma 0, this is a value, small a value. So a point as x1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 comma 0. And what is the b point? 0 comma b. B means y-intercept. This is the y-intercept. This is the y-intercept. So we can write b point as 0 comma y1 power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3. A power 2 by 3. Now we know a point and b point. Now find the distance between a and b. Find the distance between a and b. Now find the distance formula. This ab is equals to, take this as x1 y1, x2 y2. y2 minus y, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. So x2 0. So 0 minus x1 power 1 by 3 a power 2 by 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1, y2 value y1 power 1 by 3 a power 2 by 3 minus 0 whole square under root. This is the distance formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. So 0 minus is అంటే total 0 వచ్చేస్తుంది, minus square అంటే positive అవుతుంది, and x1 power 1 by 3 a power 2 by 3 whole square plus here y1 power 1 by 3 a power 2 by 3 whole square, a power 2 by 3 whole square under root. Now x1 power 1 by 3 whole square becomes x1 power 2 by 3, x1 power 2 by 3. Next a power 2 by 3 whole square, 2 to the 4, a power 4 by 3, a power 4 by 3 plus, same this also, y1 power 1 by 3 whole square, y1 power 2 by 3, a power 2 by 3 whole square, a power 4 by 3, a power 4 by 3. So what is the common from total? A power 4 by 3 common is equals to, take out a power 4 by 3 common, a power 4 by 3 common, remaining x1 power 2 by 3, x1 power 2 by 3 plus y1 power 2 by 3 whole square under root, sorry, a power 4 by 3 into x1 power 2 by 3 plus y1 power 2 by 3 under root. So what is this value from equation number 2? This value is a power 2 by 3 from equation number 2. So a power 4 by 3 into a power 2 by 3, a power 2 by 3 under root. So here bases are same, so add the powers. A power 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 under root. 4 plus 2 6, a power 6 by 3, a power 6 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 twos are under root of a square, under root of a square. So here square and root will get cancelled. So what is the value? AB is equals to a. AB is equals to a, that is a constant. Therefore AB is equals to a. AB is equals to a. There a is a constant. Therefore AB is constant. AB is a constant. AB is a constant. So here we are using since from second equation. From second equation, what is the value? X1 power 2 by 3 plus Y1 power 2 by 3 is equals to A power 2 by 3. This is very important long question. Now seventh question. The tangent at any point P on the curve x power m y power n is equals to a power m plus n meets the coordinate axis in a comma b. Then show that AP is to BP is a constant. So what is the given curve? Given curve is x power m into y power n is equals to a power m plus n. A power m plus n. Take it as equation number 1. So take this as y axis and this as x axis. Y axis, x axis. So this is the origin. So this is the given curve. X power m, y power n is equals to a power m plus 1. Take any point P on this curve. Take this as P point x1, y1. x1, y1. At this point, draw the tangent. This tangent meets the x-axis at A point and the y-axis at B point. Y-axis at B point. This is x coordinate A small a. So A point becomes A comma 0 and B point is 0 comma B. 0 comma B. B is the y coordinate. Okay now? So we have to show that AP is to PB or BP is a constant. AP is to PB is a constant. So first, what is the given curve? X power m, y power n is equals to a power m plus n. Take any point P on the curve. What is the point x1, y1? Let P of x1, y1 be any point on the curve. Be any point on the curve. Let P of x1, y1 be any point on the curve. Therefore, substitute value. Substitute x equals x1 power m into y1 power n is equals to a power m plus n. A power m plus n. Take it as equation number 2. Now we will find the slope of the tangent at this point. Equation of tangent kavalante first slope of the tangent kavali. Okay na? First find the slope. Slope means dy by dx. So from 1 implies what is the given curve? X power m into y power n is equals to a power m plus n. A power m plus n. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Differentiate with respect to x. So d by dx of differentiate చేయండి. So d by dx of x power m into y power n is equals to d by dx of a power m plus n. A power m plus n. So take this as u and this as v. U apply uv formula. uv. So what is uv formula? uv dash plus v u dash. u and x power m into d by dx of y power n plus y power n into d by dx of x power m. X power m is equals to, so d by dx of a power m plus 1, this is a constant. Therefore, derivative becomes 0. Now apply formula d by dx of y power n. It is in the form of x power n formula manaki. So what is the formula? X power n formula? X power m into n into x power n minus 1 y power n minus 1 into dy by dx plus y power n into, so apply the formula x power n formula. So m into x power m minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we can write this as x power n x power n x power m into, we can write y power n minus 1 ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు అంటే మనం y power n రాయొచ్చు into y power minus 1 and into dy by dx plus m into y power n into దీని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు x power m into x power minus 1 x power m into x power minus 1 is equals to 0. ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేస్తున్నా ఈ టూ టర్మ్స్ కి. So a power we know already exponent in the exponent chapter in previous classes 7th or 8th or 9th. A power m plus n is equals to, we can write this as a power m into a power n. A power m plus n is equals to a power m into a power n. So what is common here? X power n common, y power n common. So take up that common, x power m, y power n common, remaining n into y power minus 1 రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం 1 by y, right? 1 by y plus, sorry, dy by dx into dy by dx plus m into, so remaining ఏంటి x power minus 1 కదా, we can write that as 1 by x. 1 by x is equals to 0. ఈ టోటల్ రైట్ సైడ్ సెండ్ చేస్తే 0 by something అవుతుంది, 0 అవుతుంది. సో n into y, n into 1 n by y dy by dx plus m into 1 m by x is equals to 0. This implies, so send this term to m by x to the right side. The right side send చేసుకోండి. So n by y dy by dx is equals to minus m by x, minus m by x. So ఈ y కూడా right side send చేయండి, into అవుతుంది, n right side send చేయండి, divide అవుతుంది. So dy by dx becomes dy by dx is equals to finally minus m by x into y by n, y by n. This is a dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to minus my by nx, minus my by nx. Now we this is slope, dy by dx. Now we find the slope at point x1 y1. So write m is equals to dy by dx, slope find at point, given point kada, what is the point? x1 y1, x1 y1. Take x is equals to x1 here, y is equals to y1. So substitute m into y is equals to y1, m y1 by n x1. This is the slope, that is m is equals to minus m y1 by n x1. M is slope of the tangent. Now you write the equation of tangent. What is the formula? Equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Substitute values, y minus y1 plus y1 is m is equals to m means slope, minus m y1 by n x1 into x minus x1. So this implies the m by 1 left side send చేయండి, ఏమవుతుంది మనకి y minus y1 by m y1 is equals to minus x minus x1 by minus x minus x1 by n x1, minus x minus x1 by n x1. Now multiply with minus, ఇక్కడ minus తో multiply చేయండి. So what is the equation number 2, right? Multiply with minus. So here write separate y by m y1, next minus y1 by m y1 is equals to minus into plus minus x by n x1, plus minus into minus plus x1 by n x1, x1 by n x1. So do cancellation if possible. x1 gets cancelled, y1 gets cancelled. So remaining y by m by 1 minus 1 by m is equals to minus x by n x1 plus 1 by n. So ఈ x term left side send చేసుకోండి, నెగటివ్ ఉంది కదా, it becomes positive. So x by n x1 plus y by m y1 is equals to 1 by n, minus 1 by m becomes plus 1 by m. Now take the LCM. We have nm is the LCM. So m into 1 m plus n into 1 n by nm or mn. LHS x by n x1 plus y by m y1. So we can write this as into 1 రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా? సో టోటల్ దిస్ send this term to the left side. So this divides LHS. ఈ టర్మ్ టోటల్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ సెండ్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, LHS డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఏమొస్తుంది, x by nx1 into m plus n by mn, m plus n by mn plus y by m by1 into m plus n by mn, m plus n by mn is equals to 1. Here m and m gets cancelled, n and n gets cancelled. So remaining ఏంటి మనకి x by m plus n by m into x1 plus y by m plus n by n into y1 is equals to 1. So now it is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. Now it is in the form of intercept form. So we can find the intercepts. What is x-intercept? A. Y-intercept is b. So it is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. So this is x-intercept. What is x-intercept? X-intercept is m plus n by m into x1. m plus n by m into x1. This is x-intercept. Next, what is the y-intercept? m plus n by n into y1. Y-intercept is m plus n by n into y1. This is y-intercept. This is x-intercept and this is y-intercept. So we can write this is a. X-intercept means small a, y-intercept means small b. So we can write a point and b point. What is the a point? A comma 0. A means x-intercept. So this is m plus n by m into x1. This is the x-intercept. Comma 0. This is a point. And b point is 0 comma b. 0 comma b means y-intercept. 0 comma b. This is the y-intercept. M plus n by n into y1. This is b point. And what is the p point given? P of x comma y1. P of x1 y1. P of x1 y1. Now what we have shown that AP is to BP is a constant. AP is to means a ratio. So take AP by BP. AP by BP is equals to. AP means distance between A point and P point. Distance between A point and P point. So this is A point and this is P point. Take this as x1 by 1. This is x2 by 2. So what is the formula? x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 means x1. x1 minus x1 m plus n by m into x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y1 minus 0. y1 minus 0 whole square under root. This is AP. Next to take BP. B point and P point. B point and P point. This is x1 y1. This is x2 by 2. Apply the formula x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 means x1. x1 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 means y1. So y1 minus m plus n by n into y1 whole square under root. This is distance formula. Okay na? Now here take the LCM. Here LCM denominator is 1. So take m here 1 and LCM of m and 1 is m only. So multiply with m into x1 mx1 and you can go multiply m into x1 mx1 minus into plus minus. So minus m into x1 minus mx1. Next minus into plus minus n. Minus n into x1 minus nx1 divided by m whole square plus y1 minus 0 y1 only. So y1 square divided by here also x1 minus 0 x1 square plus here also same LCM is n into y1 ny1 multiply with minus into plus minus my1 minus into plus minus ny1 divided by n whole square under root. Here also under root. Here mx1 gets cancelled. mx1 cancel out. Here ny1 gets cancelled. So what is the remaining? Remaining is rasuna minus nx1 by m is equals to minus nx1 by m whole square plus y1 square under root divided by x1 square plus remaining minus m y1 by n whole square under root. Whole square under root. So square cheyandi, n square x1 square by m square plus y1 square divided by x1 square plus m square y1 square by n square total under root తీసుకుంటున్నా. Total root ఉంది కదా, under root తీసుకుంటున్నా. Here LCM is LCM of m square and 1 is m square. Here LCM is n square. So multiply with m square. So n square x1 square plus m square y1 square. M square y1 square divided by m square whole divided by n square to multiply and n square into x1 square. N square into x1 square plus m square y1 square. M square y1 square by n square under root. Total ki root. So ఇక్కడ ఎలా వస్తుంది మనకి? సింప్లిఫై చేద్దాం కొంచెం. సో ఈ టోటల్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. n square x1 square plus m square y1 square, n square x1 square plus m square y1 square both will cancel. Total cancel అవుతుంది. ఇది రెసిప్రోకల్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి? n square by m square under root. n square by m square under root. So square root gets cancel అవుతుంది. అంటే రిమైనింగ్ ఏంటి? n by m. This is the value. What is the value? AP by BP is equals to n by m. Therefore AP is to BP is constant. N by m is a constant. Is constant. AP is to BP is a constant.